Thank you so much for joining me today. I have somebody new that I am so excited to introduce you to. So iCareCat teaches our friends all about being a good friend and what that means. He has 5 rules that he likes to share with children. What would you like to teach our friends today? Great idea. The iCareCat wants us to learn rule number 1. And if you look at my poster here, it tells us what rule number 1 is. Let's see. We listen to each other. But iCareCat, what does it mean to listen? Let's find out. We are going to practice whole body listening. So what that means is that our eyes are looking at the person who is talking. Our ears are ready to listen. Our bodies are facing towards the person speaking. Our hands are in our lap. Our mouths are quiet. And that's how we know you're ready to listen.